not for sale. U.S. mail. It's not for sale. U.S. mail. It's not for sale. U.S. mail. It's not for sale. Hey, hey, ho, ho. Staple steel has got to go. Hey, hey, ho, ho.
I'm not going to go to that store to buy anything.
You're a John Doe.
I like the shop, little bitty pieces.
You didn't close on this, Bob.
I'd rather like go in, like, you know, do it in front of faces. I don't know. That's the easy.
That's okay.
Make sure you stash it.
I'm cutting this reward card up because I'm not going to deal with Staples if they're going to take the U.S. postal mail away.
I have a friend of mine.
Stop Staples today.
No, you just cut it right.
Yeah. Cut it any way you want to. You can cut in tiny little pieces, great big pieces, however you want to do it. Thank you, Andre.
Goodbye. Oops, one fell out. Can you put that back?
Stand here as an ASWE member in support of our fellow public employees and the post office. I cut up this reward card
Do you all need signatures for
in
this
honor
thing?
of cutting up the deal to privatize post office services.
Postal
Solidarity.
organizations. Post office. The people's post office. Don't give up the ship.
Would you like to cut up a reward card for the camera?
Oh, no. There you are.
Oh, just cut one up. Oh.
Yeah, it's a protest, you know. We're boycotting Staples. You can stand right here and we need to take the whole thing.
So where you won't have somebody like these people that are postal employees, they want their jobs taken, and they don't want their wages cut, and they don't want to be looked at like an expendability to machines, that the employees that would be hit with the program in support of the post office would be, you know, down for the cause too. Because the technology and the services that
The postal service is under attack. What do you do? Fight back. The letter carriers are under attack. What do you do? Fight back. The mail handlers are under attack. What do you do? Fight back. The clerks are under attack. What do you do? Fight back. Motor vehicle service is under attack. What do you do? Fight back. Maintenance is under attack. What do you do? Fight back. The letter carriers are under attack. What do you do? Fight back. The postal service is under attack. What do you do? Fight back. What do you do? Fight back. What do you do? Fight back.
My pen, that's my pen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hold on.
Done with you.
I'm ready. Got to stay on the sidewalk.
Sure you have to get over here.
Okay. I gotta hurry up.
Yeah, how you doing?
Did you do one yet, Mike?
See that?
There's scissors.
Don't need it.
Anybody got a pen?